He's like 30-something.
Are you doing 4?
Well, it didn't work out so good last time.
We got one with 4 so far. Didn't we?
Yeah.
No, you missed it.
No, the first time we got all 4 to go up. Are we ready?
Wait. Get a second lighter.
Come on, let's just go. Come on, ready?
1, 2.
Oh man, my thing went out. Dang it, sorry. I like that one, I'll get a second lighter. Those just realized that we can talk silent.
Abbott and Costello fireworks.
Like, how hot these things are? Like,
Well, they're smoking.
what would happen if they,
Good?
hard to pass, hard to pass.
So you think it's okay for the car to be past you and hear it and look up in the rearview mirror?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get out of there!
I missed one. Right, I just.
Good?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, I lost my shoe! You killed the bag!